Got free time in the evenings or weekends? Instead of just scrolling, let me show you how to turn it into cash with no startup money needed. User testing websites. Big brands will literally pay you just to test apps and share feedback. Sell your notes or guides on sites like Stuvia. If you've studied, you already have material people will buy. Captioning services. Short videos are everywhere, and creators pay for help adding captions. Flip unused clothes or gadgets on Vinted or eBay. That's instant cash from what you already own. You don't need money to start, just a bit of consistent effort. At Eternity Accountants, we help UK freelancers and side hustlers turn small side gigs into real income with smart tax planning. Follow us for more money-making ideas you won't hear anywhere else.